Sige!
Okay, for the female seniors, our royal look for the night goes to Miss Karen Calilo. So, to present the award, we call on Miss Abigail Suma and our OIC Ma'am Convocation to present our awards.
Kaya kami birthday party. Birthday party. Tuna pie.
Once again, our royal look of the night, Jasmine Johnson and Karen Calilo. And to present another set of awards, may we call on Mr. Rene Amaro. For our Dance Empress and Dance Emperor.